Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GHSI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the pullback on this one continues, and nothing severe. It's not like the price, the chart has been destroyed or anything like that. But just another consolidation day, which is not too shocking when you factor in just how big of a move it actually was. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched the past videos. But if you haven't, I've talked about that green line quite a bit at the 60-cent mark and talked about how that's really the main key level of support from the overarching standpoint. Because even if the price were to come down here, bounce around, and then start to work its way back upwards, assuming, again, you care about the big picture point of view, what would you have? Well, you'd still have a set of lows there. You'd have lows there. You'd have lows down there. And if you envision those as stair steps, then again, from the big picture point of view, you'd still very clearly have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And that's what matters most. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. So that's where, that 60-cent mark continues to come into play and be important. And overall, as long as the price is above that area, that in my opinion, you can still call the trend totally healthy. Now, I mean, if the price comes down here and blasts down through there, at that point in time, okay, you can start to maybe discuss that maybe a reversal is underway or something of that nature. But as of right now, using the word reversal, in my opinion, is just not right, because I would say that this is still just in a current pullback here. Now, in the event the pullback, ends and starts to work its way back upwards, where some of these areas of resistance at? First key area of resistance on any sort of movement back to the upside, you're going to be right there at the 74-cent mark. And then after 74 cents, next key level after that, up there right around the 88-cent mark. So keep your eye on those couple areas moving forward. But all in all, the uptrend continues, so it'll be interesting to see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.